Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Himanshu, and in the previous video I have given you one task that you need to get the result on the basis of these conditions. So let's check the answer. So here I'm going to start with an if function. Look at the formula bar. So if the first logical test is going to be this particular cell value is less than 40, then score should be fail. If it's not, then what will happen? Then I'm going to apply another if function. Now how these things work actually? One very important note is that whatever if condition you have set in the initial parts, the function is going to lock on that value. This means if you have written that if h2 cell value less than 40, then it's fail, and after that if you are writing if h2 cell value is less than 60, then it's something else, then it's going to consider less than 40 only, because the function get locked in the initial part. So keeping in mind that part, we are going to write the function that if h2 cell value less than 40, then it's fail. If it is not so, then again check if this particular cell value is less than 60. So this stand for starting from 40.01 till 60 or 59.99. Then the value of true is going to be compartment, value false, else it's going to be pass. One bracket, another bracket, and enter. Drag it, you will have the answer. In order to make it even more accurate, if you want to, then you need to give the value like this. If h2 is less than and equal to 40, then fail. If h2 is less than and equal to 60, then it's compartment. You will not find much impact of it in this data because these are decimal based, but this is how you need to write the function. And this is the example of nested if. What if you have plenty of conditions, then this is how you need to nest if in order to have the desired result. How many if function we can nest? There is no limitation as such. We are not done yet, and now get ready for the next task, and that is you need to find out the topper in this range, the lowest in this range, and rest of the cell is going to be blank. I want the result here. You need to type a function with the help of if, and if possible some other function also, in order to have the result. And you will have to drag that function so that in the manner that the person who have scored the highest marks, topper should come in front of it. The person who have scored lowest marks, lowest should be written in front of it, and all the other cell value is going to be blank. And how to indicate blank? Two inverted commas without any space, it indicates blank. So go for it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.